Welcome friends. Today's topic is manufacturing process of clay bricks. So let's get started. These are the following questions which are related to the manufacturing process of clay bricks in it. Describe the manufacturing process of clay bricks or explain in detail hand molding brick table or discuss the process of burning bricks in clamps or describe the manufacturing process of clamp burnt brick. The answers related to the all questions are described in detail. So here is the answer. The manufacture of bricks involves the following operations. Number 1, site selection. 2, selection of brick earth. 3, preparation of brick earth. 4, molding of bricks. 5, drying of molded bricks. 6, burning of bricks. 7, removal and transportation of bricks. Number 1, selection of site. For the manufacturing of bricks, the site should be near the banks of the river so that clay, silt, and sand deposits are available in abundance. The site should be easy approachable from the city. The water should be easily available on the site. Number 2, selection of brick earth. A good brick earth contains 50 to 60% of silica, 20 to 30% of alumina, and the remaining constituents being lime, magnesia, sodium, potassium, manganese, and oxide of irons. The chief constituents of brick earth are alumina and silica, that is, a mixture of clay and sand. The clay having size of 0.02 to 0.0002 mm should be 20 to 30% by weight. The sand having size of less than 2 mm should by weight, and silt of 0.2 to 0.02 mm size should by 20 to 35% by weight. Number 3, preparation of brick earth. The earth is dug out in clear weather and kept on the clean ground. Now, pebbles, vegetable matters, coarse sand, gravel, lime, conker, etc. are removed out from the soil. If soil is full of lumps, then ground into powder. Now, digging soil is kept exposed to the atmosphere for a period of 1 month for weathering. Number 4, molding of bricks. When the brick earth is prepared, it is molded by hand or by machine. In it, A point, hand molding, B point, machine molding. These are the types. A point, hand molding. In hand molding, bricks are molded by hand, that is manually. Hand molding is preferred where manpower is cheap and readily available, or when bricks are manufactured on small scale. Hand molding may be done either on ground or on table, and accordingly, these are termed as ground molding or table molding. Again, hand molding may be slope molding or sand molding. To prevent bricks from sticking to the mold is either dipped in water or sprinkled over with sand each time it is used. In hand molding, if water is used, the bricks are said to be slot molded, and if sand is used, the bricks are called sand molded. Sand molded bricks are always preferred as they are sharper than slope molded bricks. In table molding, the molder stands behind a table as shown in figure and places the mold either on the table or on the stroke board bearing the projection for the frog. This is the figure of table molding. In it, height is 0.75 mm, length is 1.8 mm, breadth is 1 mm. This is mold, this is water ball, this is clay, this is cloth, stock, strike, bonding post, page, pallet board. A simple hand molding table molds brick inaccurate shape and size. The table is fitted with a mold and also provided with movable bottom plate. The clay kneaded with water is fed into the mold and the brick is ejected by pressing down the pedal. Uniformly shaped molded bricks, thus produced, can be evenly set inside the kiln to facilitate even burning with efficient utilization of fuel. Improved dimensional accuracy of burnt bricks facilitates perfection in masonry construction and saving in mortar consumption. The mold is filled up with clay, pressed, and the superfluous clay is removed from top. A pallet board is then placed over the mold and the mold with the pallet board is skillfully taken off and inverted. The mold is lifted up for its reuse and the brick lying on the pallet is carried and allowed to dry on edge. As the bricks are laid on edge, the bricks require less space and they dry quicker and better. Stock boards may also be used in ground molding for providing frogs. Following are the disadvantages in table molding. First point, the molder gets tired in standing at the same place for several hours during the working period and due to which the efficiency of the molder decreases gradually. Number 2, various articles required in table molding cause inconvenience to the molder and increase expenditure to brick layers. Number 3, bricks when soft are likely to be deformed as they are placed on their edges. B point, machine molding. Whenever large number of bricks are required to manufacture in a short time, machine molding is used. In this type of molding, clay is inserted from an opening of brick size and the clay blocks are so formed. Those are cut with steel wire. The mold size should have dimensions larger than the required size to take in consideration the shrinkage on account of drying and burning. Fifth point, drying of molded bricks. Before burning of bricks, it is necessary to drying the molded bricks under the sun or under the shade. For ground molded and table molded bricks, they are allowed to dry for 7 days at the same place where they are placed on ground after molding. In this process, each brick is placed individually on the ground. In this process, 50% drying is complete. Now bricks are stacked on the hex for drying the central core of the bricks which remains after placing each brick individually on the ground. After drying, that bricks are stacked one above the other to economize on the space in such a way that all four sides get access to the atmosphere. These bricks are placed on the hex or the raised ground to drain out the rainwater as shown in figure. This is the actual figure of stake for drying of bricks. You can look it in this picture. This is the bricks stake for drying purpose. And this is the graphical representation of drying of molded bricks. You can look the gap between the bricks. This is 10 mm. This is 120 mm. This is 66 mm. This is 10 mm. And this is 66 mm. These bricks are allowed to dry till the wetness disappear from the central core of the bricks. To protect the bricks from unpredictable storms and rains, the stakes should be made under a shade. 6 point, burning of bricks. Burning of bricks is done either in the clamp or in a kiln. Clamp is preferred when the bricks are manufactured on a small scale, while kiln burning is preferred when bricks are manufactured on large scale. These are the types Clamp burning or kiln burning. Clamp burning. In clamp burning, both bricks and fuels are placed alternately in layers. Figure shows the cross-sectional view of a clamp. The plane of clamp is trapezoidal. This is the cross-sectional view of clamp burning. In it, this is earth, this is the layer of raw bricks, and between this is fuel. This is brick wall in mud, and this is ground level. The floor of clamp is inclined at an angle of 15 degree with the horizontal. Smaller end is at lower elevation and greater end is at more elevation with respect to the ground. Firstly, layer of fuel is placed, then layer of bricks. Having a course of 4 to 5 bricks set is placed. The proportion of fuel to bricks is gradually reduced towards the top of the clamp. The fuel used is dried cow dung, grass, litter, rice husk, coal, dust, wood, chipping, and sometimes cheap quality wood. The clamp is fired at the lower end. The surfaces of clamp are plastered with mud. This type of clamp is used for burning 30,000 to 3 lakh bricks. A large clamp required 6 months to burn and cool. There are two types of clamps generally used are rectangular clamp or Bengal clamp. The merits of clamp burning are as follows. The burning and cooling of bricks are gradual in clamps. Hence, the bricks produced are tough and strong. This is first point. And second point, the burning of bricks by clamps proves to be cheap and economical. Third point, no skilled labor and supervision are required for the construction and working of clamps. Fourth point, the clamp is not liable to injury from high wind or rain. Fifth point, there is considerable saving of fuel. Following are the demerits of clamp burning. First point, the bricks are not of regular shape. This may be due to the settlement of bricks when fuel near bottom is burnt and turned to ashes. Second point, it is very slow process. Third point, it is not possible to regulate fire in a clamp once it starts burning and the bricks are liable to uneven burning. The quality of bricks is not uniform. The bricks near the bottom are overburned and those near sides and top are underburned. B point, kiln burning. Bricks kilns are used for the burning of bricks. The shape of kiln is rectangular or circular or oval shape. It is constructed of very thick side walls and wide doorways for taking in or out of the bricks. The side walls are built up with old bricks set in clay. The doorways are built up with sun dried bricks set in clay. A temporary roof is placed over the kiln to protect the raw bricks from rain water. So dear friends, this is all about manufacturing process of clay bricks. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist in my channel related to construction materials and building materials videos. If you enjoy this, please like it, share, comment and also subscribe my channel for getting latest upcoming construction materials and building materials related videos. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.